Good morning, students. Today our class is Social Science and we will study unit number 2, Environmental Pollution. This chapter is huge and I make this chapter into a summary form that you can understand easily. Then let's start. Due to important inventions in science and technology, industrial revolution took place in Europe, and since then man has progressed in fields like electricity, railways, telephones, vehicles, industries, electronics, etc. For attaining this progress, man has to make unrestricted use of natural resources and has created pollution of air, water, land and vegetation. These components of environment are very essential for sustenance of life. Water pollution. Water which becomes dirty after being used in industries is considered useless and is released in rivers, streams or on land. Such water pollutes the river water, groundwater, and the land. Due to such polluted water, many aquatic animals die. As the water from drains of cities is released into rivers, lakes, etc., serious problems of water pollution are created. The crops and grass grown using this dirty water of rivers contain many pollutants. When industrial smoke and gases contaminate rain or acid rain is caused, which is harmful to plants and animals. Diseases like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, diarrhea, etc. spread by water pollution. To prevent water pollution, dirty water from industries and gutters must be purified and only then should be released into the rivers or streams. Government should have strict control over industries in these connections. Now, air pollution. Air is polluted by gases and smoke released by industries and vehicles run by fuels. Fuels such as coke, coal, kerosene, diesel, petrol, etc. release harmful smoke and other gases such as nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, benzoferin, carbon dioxide, etc. into the air. So their proportion has increased in the air. Due to deforestation on a large scale and also due to reduction in vegetation, the proportion of dust particles and CO2 has increased in air. This has resulted in problems of global warming. Due to air pollution, diseases of throat and lungs and problems like asthma and breathlessness can occur. Dust particles floating in the atmosphere can cause cough and cold. Gases like SO2 and nitrogen oxide, which pollutes air, get dissolved in rain to cause acid rain, which harmful to vegetation and animals. To prevent air pollution, industries and vehicles must be compelled to use equipments which will filter smoke and poisonous gases. The use of petrol and diesel should be very limited. Pollution-free fuels such as CNG or LPG should be used in vehicles, and PUC, pollution under control, checks should be strictly implemented. Forest and vegetation cover should be increased. Now, land pollution. Water from the industries and gutters in urban areas is often released on land. So land becomes polluted, soil waste from industries and urban centers added to this. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and insecticides in agriculture also pollute soil. Plastic bags and dirty industrial water are fatal for organisms which make land fertile. Due to the destruction of these organisms, lands become non-productive. It is not advisable to establish industries on agricultural land. With the depletions of fertile land, crop production also decrease. To prevent land pollution, purity of the environment must be protected. Use of plastics and chemicals should be restricted. Traditional biofertilizers should be used in place of chemical fertilizers. Insecticides should be used as per requirement only. Other important remedies are to burn and destroy useless plastic and solid waste or recycle or reuse it if possible. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is created by heavy machines making intense sound in factories, sound made by vehicles, loudspeakers, and musical instruments played at high volume and pitch. Exploding crackers on a large scale also cause noise pollution. Noise pollution leads to deafness. Moreover, it has an adverse effect of mental health. To prevent noise pollution, loudspeaker, radios, TVs, and other musical instruments should be played at a low volume. Crackers should be avoided. Vehicles should be checked and serviced regularly. Industry should be established away from the settlements. Forestation should be done around them, and vehicle and vehicular sound should be minimized by growing trees on both sides of the main road. As per Mahatma Gandhi's view, water, land, and forest are community resources. To make them business commodities is a moral crime. Water pollution is the foremost among created by human problems. It is our collective responsibility to prevent or reduce all types of pollution. So, this chapter is completed, and I hope you will understand when you hear it. See you in next class.